Hi, Kinder. What is the ending sound? Remember our game that we played in the classroom where I showed you 3 objects and you told me which one ended in the sound that I give you. So we're going to try that with things that I have in my house. Why not? So let's see. I have a coaster. A coaster. That's something you set your drinks on. I'm sure you guys know what a coaster is. Coaster. I have a remote control. Remote control. And headphones. 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 So let's look at those again. Coaster, control, headphones. Which one of those ends in the O sound? Excuse me. Which one ends with the O sound? Is it coaster, control, headphones? Which one ends with O? Did you guess? Did you get it? That's right. Remote control. Control ends with the letter L. Great job, Kinder. Let's try something else. Ooh, I have a mug. A marker, and a frame. Picture frame. So let's look at them again. Mug, marker, frame. Which one of those ends with the G sound? Think. G. What does G say? What sound does G make? And then say the words to yourself. Mug, marker, frame. G. What does G say? That's right. G says G, G, G. So which one ends in the G sound? Mug. That's right. Mug ends with the G sound. So this is a game that you can play with your brothers and sisters or anyone in your house. And you can play this and teach this game to them. And you can play the teacher and they can be the student. And then you can be the student and they can be the teacher. And you can have fun with it. All right, Kinder. Practice those ending sounds. Practice all of your letter sounds. And I will see you soon. Take care.